Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix status access violation error in Chrome. So let's just get straight into the video. The status access violation error in Google Chrome typically occurs when a website or extension attempts to access memory it does not have permission to use, causing the tab to crash. This error is common on Chromium-based browsers like Chrome or Edge and is often triggered by bugs, memory issues, or even compatible software. Here are a couple of basic troubleshooting steps that you can follow. The first is going to be by simply using a Incognito tab, just like that. If that doesn't fix it, then head into your settings and scroll all the way down until you find apps. And inside of apps, you're going to look for Chrome. And now what we need to do is simply go ahead into your storage and clear cache. The final step you want to follow is restarting your phone and your Wi-Fi, and it should go ahead and fix it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.